Hi, how you doing?
Good, how are you?
Good. So what brings you in here today?
Well, I need to upgrade my phone. I have an iPhone 6S, and I'm having a lot of problems with it.
Okay.
First off, it's only 16 gigs, so I don't have any room on my phone for anything that I need. Second, it just turns off randomly, and it'll reboot itself, so it's really annoying. It freezes sometimes, my camera sucks, my battery life sucks, so I think I need a new phone.
Wow, sounds like that phone's caused a lot of trouble for you.
It has.
So do you have in mind what phone you're looking for?
Nope, just a new one.
Okay. All right. Well, if I heard you correctly, just to recap, you said you're having problems with your screen,
Mm-hmm.
and you're having problem with it freezing on you, shuts off randomly.
Mm-hmm.
You're having trouble with your battery life,
Mm-hmm.
and it's only 16 gigabytes.
Mm-hmm.
Did I hit everything?
Yep.
Or did I miss any?
Nope, that was it.
So my recommendation for you is, I don't know if you've heard of the new iPhone XR yet.
No,
So
I haven't.
this phone is really, really cool. And to start off, um, what's your main frustration with your phone? What is it that you hate the most about it?
It's a tie between the memory and the battery life.
Okay. All right. Perfect. So first things first, the base of the iPhone, it was kind of a bummer that they even made a 16 gigabyte iPhone because, as you know, a lot of their updates and downloads actually take up about 10 gigabytes, which leaves you 6 gigabytes for almost nothing.
Mm-hmm.
And actually, when you go to fill all those gigabytes, that actually drains your battery life a lot. So they're kind of tied together. But right off the bat, the iPhone XR is standard. The base model is 64 gigabytes.
Oh.
So that's much higher than yours. It's 4 times more than yours. And so the phone itself will be able to hold as many pictures and anything your heart desires, even music, videos. So that means you can do everything you want to do with your phone. I know that in the past I've had a smaller gigabyte phone, and I feel like I can't download as many apps or take as many pictures. And so with this, you'll be able to take as many pictures and videos as you want.
Okay.
How does that sound?
That sounds great.
Okay. Number 2, with your concern about battery life. This is my personal phone, and so it actually has one of the longest battery lives of any phone that Apple or any producer has made so far. So this product, I like to show people. I didn't charge my phone yesterday, and I didn't charge it today either. And you can tell we're halfway through the day. It's about noon now, and my phone percent is still at 90%, and I didn't charge it all day yesterday. Isn't that amazing?
Yeah, that's great.
So what that means for you is you get to do everything you want with your phone and not have to carry around a portable charger, not have to worry about finding a wall socket so you could plug in your phone. You could go through your classes all day long, surf the web, watch videos, do whatever you want, and still have ample battery time by the end of the day.
That sounds great.
Yeah, it's amazing, isn't it?
Yeah.
Don't you think that would solve the problem you're having?
Yes.
Okay. As for your screen freezing and everything, phones usually do that near the end of their life. Your 6S is a little older, so errors start to occur and problems start to happen. Usually the average life on them is about 2 to 3 years. So what's awesome about this new iPhone is that it comes with the brand new A12 software chip, which is the fastest they've made so far.
Oh.
So it's incredibly fast, and you won't have any problems with the software. And it's also warranted that if for whatever reason you do within the first 2 years have a problem, you come bring it back in and we'll take care of you.
That's perfect.
How does that sound?
Yeah, that sounds great.
So can we write you up for one?
Yeah, sure.